had no plans in picking up this camera and filming today, but I picked this camera up with the intention to just rant and talk shit about myself. But I ain't gonna go too hard on me because, you know, I love to preach about giving people grace and giving myself grace especially. But I'm just at a place where I'm just tired of being raggedy. I am tired of being raggedy. I'm tired. And some of y'all might know what I'm talking about, but I'm just in this season. I'm just in this funk. And obviously grief has a part of it, but it's also me and my own laziness and me having my own self stuck. And it bothers me so much because I know what it's like to be stuck and to not be where I want to be. But I also know what it's like to crawl all the way up out of everything you thought you couldn't get out of and come out on top and create the life that you dream of. But then I also, down goes Frazier. Like, I have moments where I go deep down. Well, actually, I have moments where one bad day can turn into 2 bad days, then a whole week, then a whole month, and then 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and now I'm just like, damn! What the fuck is this? That is how I'm feeling. I'm feeling real, what the fuck is this? Because I know better. I know I can do better. I know I can show up better. I know I can perform better. I just know I can. And I'm tired of being raggedy. And the best part about a problem is acknowledging it. The first thing you got to do with a problem is see it as a problem. So I see that my issues right now and being in this funk is a problem. So I've acknowledged it. Now what am I going to do about it? I'm going to get my shit together. I'm going to get my shit together. I'm tired of saying I'm going to get my shit together, and I get my shit together for one day, and then here I am again, back on the same bullshit, back up on my bullshit. That's what I'm going to do. And when I be about to get my shit together and I feel like I'm about to go through a cleanse or a revolution or something like that, I got to clean my space. I got to reorganize my space. I got to do something dramatic. I don't know if anybody else is like this, but I am. I have to reorganize. I'm changing my entire bedroom around. Like, I want to feel like I'm in a whole brand new space. Because one thing about me, my space has to be comfortable. I have to love the space that I'm in. I love my home. I love the energy in it. And I want to keep it like that. I want to keep it that way. I don't want to be running from home. I don't be running from home. I be chilling in the house, not on my shit. But I just have a lot. I have a lot on my to-do list, but that does not correlate when I wake up in the morning and my 5, 6, 7 o'clock alarm go off, and I just turn that thing off and be like, I don't even have a real job. So what do? I stay in the bed. I stay there. I don't have actual kids that I have to wake up and get ready for school. I have a middle schooler. She wake up, she get herself ready for school, and I feel like that has also been a problem. But Lord, this is not me saying that I want another kid to send to school for school age. Don't play with me. And that drained a lot of my energy, and I really could go lay down after all that. I'm freaking crazy. But anyways, let's get our lives together. Let's get our lives together. Then can I get a hell yeah? Do y'all ever just laugh at how raggedy you, like, girl, be so fucking for real. Anyways, I'm about to make me some matcha. Now, the fact that I thought I was gonna be able to whisk some matcha in this little bitty ass cup and it not spill was crazy. If y'all ever want some energy, raw dog a matcha shot. Don't add no latte, don't add no juice, don't add nothing. Raw dog matcha. Did I eat today? I don't even think I ate today. That's crazy. Step 1, damn motherfucking dishes. class was amazing.
I'm sorry. No, class was cool. Class was cool. It was easy.
Oh, you wasn't saying class was amazing?
Oh God, I thought you said, how did my ass look? I'm just playing.
What?
You look good in them pants. I like when you. I like when you wear them process pants. I like the little flare bottom to them, and then still, and you still thick too, cause.
Y'all know it's a scam. The fact that I can wipe down my table with disinfectant and it still look just as good as when I wipe it down with Windex. Next issue to tackle, the top of my fridge. I hate how everybody, including me especially, think that that is a universal storage place, and it's not. It looks tacky. I'm actually gonna clean up. Child, wrap it up.
Can you hand me the Sprite bottle out the thing?
Stop saying that. It's funny.
Crazy. Okay. Good job. I guess. She's so fine. I look so good, baby.
What's so good?
Jada.
Playing Marvin Sapp on Pandora.
But on a good note, my video is done being edited. I actually started classes yesterday and I haven't even logged into any of them. Like, that's really what's crazy. And that's the thing when I get into these phones. It's like, I know what I need to do. I know exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. I crave to do those things. I want to get up and move, but mentally stuck. I'm gonna keep all these clips in this video though, you know, because I want y'all to see the raw and the real. But I think I'm gonna call it a night. I did a lot today and I'm trying to make it sound so small, like going through and organizing my kitchen drawers and kind of, you know, rearranging some things. I'm gonna make it sound small because I have so much stuff to do, but I have to do what I can because it is important. Do what you can and be happy for those small victories. That is the message to myself and to everybody else, anybody out there who need it, because I am so quick to beat myself up about it if I don't go 1,000 miles extra. Like, I'll make a to-do list and I want to finish all 15 things on that to-do list, and I'm only one person on top of being a mom, a wife, a student, like all this stuff all over again. I'm only one person and nobody told me I had to do all this. So good night, y'all. We gonna try again tomorrow.